Welcome to Unique Mixers, the mixing experts. Today we bring to you a video of our 18,000 liter, yes, 18,000 liter capacity ribbon blender. This blender here is complete stainless steel 304 body. The ribbons are double helical ribbons which are mounted on a horizontal shaft. This blender is used for a slurry application, and the slurry is fairly flowable. The reason for using this blender for the slurry, normally the blenders are used for solid blending applications, but because there is an amount of solid present in the slurry, that's the reason why we use the ribbon blender here. Here is powered by a 60 horsepower flameproff motor. It's a 4-pole motor operating at 1440 revolutions per minute. The blender here operates at a variable speed, ranging from about 6 to 24 revolutions per minute, and speed reduction is achieved using a helical gearbox. There is a flexible coupling provided between the gearbox and the blender input shaft. The beauty of this blender is that this blender has been tested for water, and being a horizontal blender, generally you have leakage issues from the shaft seals. Now, there is no mechanical seal in this blender. We have designed a two-stage sealing whereby the blender operates without leakage from the glands. So that's the unique design that we provided on this blender. It has been tried and tested, and the charging of the material is from the top, whereas discharge is through a wall located at the bottom of the blender. And needless to say more about this blender, I will leave you with some videos and photographs of this blender and a running trial with water. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do visit us again, and we will bring more videos to you. Unique Mixers, the mixing experts. This is Jayesh Kitchenari signing off. Thank you.